Hello everybody, I'm Morgan from the Atomy UK marketing team. Today, we're going to give you a product tutorial using none other than our world-renowned The Fame skincare set. All over the world, many Atomians cherish the Fame skincare set. The set contains 5 different products: toner, essence, lotion, eye cream, and nutrition cream. The Fame skincare set has been designed with 4 revolutionary technologies and has been certified excellent by Dermatest. Atomy's The Fame set will leave you with that flawless looking skin in just 5 simple steps. So let's get started then, shall we? First up, the Fame toner. Crafted using fresh herb extraction technology and ingredients like fennel, linteus, rice, and extract, our toner has antioxidants infused into its core. Use it daily and you'll get a moisturized finish. Also, here's a little tip. Make sure that you've washed and dried your face before applying. It's very important. Now, go ahead and apply 2 to 3 pumps onto either a cotton pad or into the palm of your hands or on your fingers. You need to make sure that you remove any leftover traces of makeup or impurities that may be on the surface of your skin. The toner will be your best friend here, trust me. Once the toner is absorbed into your skin and dried, you'll be ready for the second step. Up next, we have the Fame Essence. Our solution is highly concentrated, provides outstanding skin hydration benefits, and boasts great nutritional care for the skin. This essence has been designed to be light on the skin, which provides a great daily boost and helps complement the effect of the toner. In order to apply, start off by putting 3 to 4 pumps into the palm of your hand and gently massage into your face and neck. Believe me when I say you'll be able to feel what it's doing for your skin from the moment you apply it. I'm sure you can see how much my skin is glowing already. Now, who's ready for the third step? This is our Fame lotion. Just to list a few of some of the key ingredients in this specific product, there is basil, rosemary, and chamomile, as well as much more. So you can imagine that this not only provides great nutritional benefits, but it also smells amazing. This is a great daily moisturizer because it keeps the balance of your skin's natural oil, whilst ensuring that your skin feels hydrated and refreshed at the same time. It's super lightweight and will become a must-have for your daily routine. And before we move on to the 4th step, just make sure that the lotion has had the time to be absorbed and dried. Now, this is our Fame eye cream. Packed with green tea water, lavender, and apple water, this special eye cream has been designed with a liquid crystal technology, meaning that it helps purify the skin and stop wrinkles. This is great to have in your daily routine. Oh, and quick point. Did you know when it comes to applying our Fame eye cream, a little goes a long way. You need the smallest amount. It is also important to know that the skin around the eyes are very delicate, so we do suggest using your middle or ring finger, taking a tiny amount, just like this, and very gently patting it onto the skin under the eyes. Now, you're ready for the final step. Now, to get the full effects of the Fame's unfading beauty every day, you finish up your skincare routine with the Fame Nutrition Cream. Not only is this cream highly concentrated, but it is filled with hydrating benefits for the skin. The Fame Nutrition Cream has been crafted to give your skin a balanced, natural, and youthful vibrancy. Okay, so let's apply this magic cream. Start by using your finger. Apply a small amount like this all over your face and neck. Use this solution 2 to 3 times a week for the best results, just to help in those moments where your skin needs that extra little tender loving care. That way, you'll ensure that your skin will stay looking youthful, hydrated, and it'll give you a natural glow. Well, there you have it. Just look at how amazing the skin looks. It's absolutely glowing. This is how you can get unfading beauty in only 5 simple steps. It's that easy. So thank you all for watching, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Bye!